In this video, I will show you how to copy files using the terminal in Ubuntu. Let's begin. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T on your keyboard, or search for terminal from your applications menu. Now let's copy a file. To do this, we use the cp command. Type cp, then the path of the file you want to copy, then the folder where you want to copy it. For example, if you have a file called example.txt inside a folder called folder A and you want to copy it to folder B, type this cp space folder A / example.txt space folder B /. Then press enter. This command will copy the file from folder A to folder B. Now go to the folder B directory and check. You should see the file there, and that's it. Now you know how to copy files using the terminal in Ubuntu. Thank you for watching this tutorial.